This is the story of a forgotten masterpiece. Since 1960, this portrait of Naval Officer Frederick Cornwall has been held here at Royal Museums Greenwich. Until recently, it was catalogued as the work of an unidentified British artist, but we now know that it is by Thomas Gainsborough, one of the leading portrait painters of the 18th century. Both the painting and its historic frame are in urgent need of conservation. We are asking for your help to support this work. The identification of Gainsborough as the portrait's artist is not so much a new discovery as a rediscovery. For over 300 years, the painting was recorded in books and historic documents as the work of Gainsborough. When the painting arrived here, the curator at the time jotted a note on its acquisition record. This note expressed the curator's opinion that the portrait was too coarse for Gainsborough. With that one scribbled judgment, the painting was written off as the work of an unknown artist. Since then, it has attracted little attention from art historians and has seldom been displayed. The true identity of the artist might have gone undiscovered were it not for Gainsborough expert Hugh Belsey, who approached the museum with information about the painting in 2022. Thanks to his help, we now know that the painting is one of the finest surviving examples from a key phase in Gainsborough's career. The painting was made in 1762, when Gainsborough was working in the fashionable spa town of Bath. His style was evolving rapidly at this time. In this portrait, you can see how he uses rapid, flickering brushwork to enliven his subjects. This is particularly evident in Cornwall's careworn face and his delicate lace cuff. The portrait was made to commemorate Cornwall's retirement from active naval service. His amputated right arm, which he lost at the Battle of Toulon in 1744, is prominently displayed, setting a precedent for later depictions of amputees. When the conservation work is complete, the painting will go on display for the first time in decades, hanging in the Queen's House alongside other highlights from our art collection. This is your chance to help save a lost masterpiece from obscurity.